Good day everyone, especially to Mr. Leo Cayos. For today's topic, going to discuss to you the watertight integrity and the importance of keeping it within the ship. So watertight integrity refers to a ship's ability to prevent water from entering spaces where it could jeopardize buoyancy, stability, or safety. It is achieved by using watertight bulkheads, doors, hatches, seals, and valves that are designed to withstand water pressures and remain secure during normal operations and emergencies. So, ang watertight integrity nag-refer siya sa barko kung saan paglikay sa or pagsulod sa tubig sa usa ka barko. So, based on my research, I have 5 importance of how the watertight integrity is important on a ship. First one is to prevent flooding spread. If no one compartment floods, watertight integrity ensures that water doesn't spread to others, keeping the vessel afloat. So, kani importante dyan siya para dili makasud ang tubig sa barko, o para stay afloat ang barko, dili mo unlod. Next is maintains buoyancy and stability. Water entering the ship can destabilize, so watertight compartments help maintain trim and stability. So kani siya importante dyan siya sa barko para dili mawala ang iyang trim and stability, and para makahalikay sa disgrasya. Or third one is the safety of crew and passengers. It limits risk to personnel by controlling water ingress and buying time for damage control or evacuation. So importante dyan siya sa crew on board or even passengers para makontrol ang pagsulod sa tubig sa barko, and para repair sa any damage. Fourth one is survivability in battle or accidents. Damage control relies on sealed compartments to survive collisions, grounding, or explosions. So every vessel aduna siya compartments, kumbaga mga safety zone siya nga. So ito makalikay sa unsa nga mahitabo, like aning collisions, groundings, or explosions. Next is, the last one is compliance with maritime regulations. SOLAS, or safety of life at sea, and other international rules require proper authorization. So, it requires they know nga sunod ta sa proper rules sa aning watertight subdivision.